Hello there, Simon Keeling here. Thanks for clicking on the week ahead forecast. And it looks as if things are going to be staying quite unsettled through the course of this week, particularly through northern and western areas, although not exclusively slow. Low pressure is going to be in control, and it looks as if things could be turning cooler as we get through towards the end of the week. But first of all, this is the chart for Tuesday. You can see low pressure centred west of Scotland here, and these weak fronts moving their way eastwards during the course of the day. Now they're going to be producing showers, particularly across northern and western areas, and some longer periods of rain across Scotland too. Here's the rainfall prediction for Tuesday. You can see where the focus of that rain is across northern and western Scotland. Very little down towards the south, although what the model isn't picking up on here are showers which are going to be affecting northern parts of England, Wales, southwest England and parts of the Midlands too. This is the rainfall prediction for the evening on Tuesday. Still see some residual rain left around southwest Scotland in the form of showers, and I think there'll be one or two showers across northern England, Wales and southwest England too, but elsewhere it should become dry. Overnight it's largely dry, although you can still see we've got some showers moving into western parts of Scotland and the north of Northern Ireland too. Elsewhere it is going to be dry. So taking a look at Wednesday then, little changes really. The low is just slowly drifting its way northeastwards to the northwest of Scotland, and these fronts again continuing to move eastwards. A ridge of high pressure down towards the south means that pressure here is higher, so the best of the sunshine always through more southern and southeastern parts of the country. So this is the rainfall prediction for Wednesday morning, and you can see that we've got some outbreaks of rain for western Scotland and western Ireland. Elsewhere it's largely dry, although I do think by the end of the morning we will find some showers breaking out. For the afternoon, that rain and showers have moved their way into central and western parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland too. I think elsewhere plenty of dry weather, although some heavy showers across northern England, Wales, the Midlands and southwest England. These southeastern counties though always tending to stay drier. Through the course of the evening, again, it's going to be northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland where we see most of the rain. Incidentally, this 20 figure here means 2mm of rain predicted in the 6 hours up till midnight on Thursday. Elsewhere, it's generally dry. Okay, so on to Thursday. Low pressure is then north of Scotland. Again, these troughs moving their way eastwards, indicating that we've got showery conditions. A ridge of high pressure maintained in the south. Notice the isobars quite close together, so it will become quite breezy across northern parts of England and Scotland, and elsewhere quite breezy winds too. The rainfall prediction for Thursday morning shows some outbreaks of rain coming into western Scotland and Northern Ireland. This is where most of the showers will be. Elsewhere though, I think the showers should be fairly well scattered, although there could be one or two heavy ones around, especially over the Pennines and the mountains of Wales. For Thursday afternoon, it's going to be these northern areas again that see most of any rain or showers. Down towards the south, plenty of dry weather, although again I think some showers for the Pennines, Wales and southwestern England. The eastern Midlands, southeast England likely to stay dry throughout the day. Through Thursday evening, and we've still got some showery outbreaks of rain across Scotland, but become dry elsewhere. And then overnight into Friday morning, we start to see some more persistent rain moving into northern and western Scotland, northern and western parts of Ireland. Elsewhere, we stay dry. The reason for that more persistent rain is this occluded front that's moving its way southeastwards, bringing those outbreaks of rain through northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, still got a trough here, indicating the risk of some showers across much of northern and southern England as well as Wales, and I don't think that's a million miles off. This is the rainfall prediction for Friday morning. See, there's that more persistent rain for northern and western Scotland. Here are the showers breaking out across northwest England, Ireland and western Wales. These turning into more persistent rain across Ireland and southwest England, and southwest Scotland, although elsewhere generally dry. Friday afternoon sees these showers spreading their way eastwards during the course of the afternoon. So you can see that we've got an increased risk of actually getting some showers across East Anglia and the southeast on Friday afternoon. Friday evening sees those showers clearing away to the east, still some for northern and western Scotland, but elsewhere becoming dry, and overnight many areas dry apart from just a few showers across northern parts of Scotland. For Saturday, low pressure by then is northeast of Scotland. We're starting to pick up the winds from the west or the west-northwest, and that means that conditions stay cooler. It will be quite breezy too, and we've got these showers moving their way eastwards during the course of the day associated with these troughs. The troughs are marked on by the black dashed lines. So the rainfall for Saturday morning then shows the showers mainly affecting northern and western parts of Scotland. Elsewhere, few with some sunny spells, just a few showers across these western coasts, and it will feel chilly where you're exposed to those northwesterly winds. For Saturday evening then, the showers have become widespread across the country. I think most of them tending to be through northern and western areas, but just about anywhere could catch one. And then finally the chart as we get into the early hours of Sunday morning. Low pressure moving into the North Sea, this northwesterly flow really getting going, so a cooler day to come for Sunday, and the showers by then focused across northern and eastern Scotland and down eastern coast of England. To the west it looks as if it is going to be drier and brighter, although I think still some showers around these western coasts. That's the forecast. I hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching, and remember to leave your comments below.